All right, so we're doing a shallow dig here in Michigan. We're in Rochester Hills, Michigan. So we got the first downspout right here, second downspout, short gutter runs, only first story gutters on those. Why that together? That comes into here. We got a sump pump. We got a sump pump line right there. We use the Baughman Gold. This is flexible, so when we have heave and thaw, it's not going to tear this pipe up. We got the virgin yellow material so that the animals don't chew on it. Seems like skunks, raccoons, possums, you name it, squirrels, they like chewing on that recycled pipe. So you can see how we got the parallel, the Baughman Gold, the premium yellow. Now, we take them to a pop-up, but I'll tell you what, that's not a big deal. As far as guys say, hey, those are spring loaded, don't you need a certain amount of pressure? Yes, very little resistance for that to open. So I get a lot of comments, a lot of interesting comments. So we got 2 runs of the Baughman Gold, and you can see we grabbed one on the front, one in the back corner, and a couple around back, all on this side. That's how you do a roof runoff system. Get the water all the way to the street, get it down the curb. You want it to run down what's known as the curb gutter, and once the water is in the street, the nearest storm drain for the street is 4 houses down. This will just run during a rain and during the wet season all the way down to that. And these spring-loaded lids, they're spring-loaded so that the lawnmower, a good lawnmower with good vacuum, is going to stand them right up and chop them off. The spring has very little resistance. So do know that. There's very little resistance with that spring. It doesn't take very much water to pop that up. Now, there's no stone, and there's no fabric, and there's no burrito wrap, because this is not a French drain system. This is a roof runoff system and a discharge line for a sump pump, an indoor sump pump, not an outdoor, indoor sump pump. So we're using the Baughman Gold, the premium yellow solid. It's not perforated, guys, no holes, it's solid. All right, until the next video.